going in for 6 back-to-back coaching calls or coaching sessions right now.
What I want you guys to know is that I have enough stuff to teach, to share, to tell, to help with. But I also want to make sure that I'm meeting your need today.
I'm like, to find what you love and then make money doing it.
Right.
Not make money and then secondary like, well, you also don't want to get to the point where you're like, well, I'm at the top of the game, but I'm not willing to get better, do more.
For sure.
Toys R Us dominated the toy market.
Right.
And now they close up all their shit.
Exactly.
I love the coaching aspect of it because it's so on the fly, taking real situations and figuring out solutions. And that's what we're going to do for a bunch of my coaching members today. So it's going to be awesome. And so I always think you got to have this appetite for what are you willing to do and not do.
I just want you to reinforce that that's what you do, and so that's what I can expect of you.
Right. No, I see exactly what you're doing there, and that's beautiful.
So it's a process, but that's how then you get down the road and you're like, okay, that's how I'm putting out all this valuable content for people to see and learn more about.
Your job is to make your job is to make thirsty. So when people use that analogy, I love it because it is not your job to get them to drink, to make them drink, to force them. Your job is to make them want to. So I'm going to give you a secret tip, okay?